The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System could be the only kitchen system you need for your blending and food processing needs. It's coming with a 72-ounce pitcher, an 8-cup food processor, a 16-ounce single-serve cup, and it utilizes all of that with the 1500-watt motor. And the 1500-watt motor also comes with 4 presets on the bottom of your Ninja that's going to be set not only to make it easier to make a smoothie, but also easier to pulse some food and to make single-serve cups. The 16-ounce Nutra Ninja cup is going to be also coming with a to-go lid so that you can just switch it out easily and you don't have to do double the cleanup. The secret to the Ninja is that it uses stacked blades, so no longer do you have to remove the container to shake it, no longer do you have to put something like a chopstick just to mix up all your ingredients, because the blender itself is going to be doing all the work. That's why it comes with a lockable lid, and that's also why the container locks into the base. That's why the Shark is such a good kitchen system, because it's a multi-purpose kitchen system. And the only way for me to really explain it to you is to show you how everything works. So let's start blending in some smoothies. Let's also crush some ice. Let's try the food processor bowl all together right now. First up, we're going to use the 72-ounce container and make a berry smoothie, a mixed berry smoothie with some bananas and whole milk. So we're just going to add in our 1 cup of mixed berries. We're adding in our banana. We're adding in about 6 ounces of whole milk. You set it down in place, you turn the power button, and you just press blend. In our testing of the Ninja is one of the most quiet blenders that we've tried because it just doesn't make that much noise. And it also has a very smooth motor, so it doesn't go up and down. The volume is pretty constant. And this is the smooth, creamy smoothie that we've just made. This is me enjoying that same smoothie. Single serve drinks are just as easy. We have some bananas, some peanut butter, some oat milk. We're adding some hemp parts, adding some mushroom powder. There's banana, peanut butter, oat. We are adding in a little bit of mango. So this is everything inside. We're going to be blending this all together. I'm going to first turn it on, lock it down, turn it on, and then we're going to hit single serve. But single serve is more like a pulse function for your container. So you're going to hold down that button, and it's going to do a great job. Listen to how quiet it is. Unlock your single serve container and enjoy your drink by switching it out to the to-go cup lid. And that's why I really like this system. It just is very convenient. Ninja has gone out of their way to try to figure out, well, what do you really need in your life to make it easier for you? And it only took about 30 seconds total to blend this up. So I'm very happy with that. And let's take a taste test. Let's crush some ice using the food processor and the food processing blades. We're going to be inserting our blade in first. Now we have our ice cubes. We're going to be inserting our ice cubes. Here is our ice cubes. We are going to be locking in our unit. And the food processor was able to chop up the ice. Even though it's not meant to chop up ice, it's much more for things like your salsas and your vegetables and your fruits. Now this is the standard blender container. When we use the standard blender container with these stack blades, well, it's going to make that ice into snow. And the snow is absolutely delicious. The blender makes quick work out of the ice to make it into kind of a snow-like concoction here. So ultimately, what do I feel about the Ninja Professional 1500-watt 770 kitchen system? I think it's really good. It's going to be one of those all-in-one systems that anyone can find use out of and can fit the needs of the entire family. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.